And also the citizens of this country must know that they have our maximum support to deal with the few police officers who may misuse a firearm or even misuse their authority to harm citizens, like the case that we are dealing with the country at the moment. And we will deal, in such cases, we will deal with them firmly. I request the citizens also, Your Excellency, that they must respect the authority of police, because without respect of authority of police, there is anarchy. I saw one citizen in Nakuru when the police were trying to bring calm, and we are dealing with a very serious small gang in Nakuru town. When the police are trying to do so to make sure that the citizens are safe, some other citizen is carrying a panga, Your Excellency, attacking a police officer.